blending. I'm gonna start with my eyebrow first. So I'm gonna dip it into my Anastasia Beverly Deep Brown pomade, and this is it. So instead of drawing my normal way, I'm just gonna go and do one line here. Okay, not really where I want it, but I just have to get drawing it. So I'm gonna go in the top and draw another line. If I wasn't in face makeup without blending, what I was gonna do before is I'm gonna go with my brush here and just brush it in, but to this challenge is no blending, so I just have to draw through and just make it look, I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I just draw the line. I'm excited about this, but I don't know. It's gonna be so. Yeah, I know it's so, I don't know, but it's okay. Oh my god, I can't blend, so I just have to make it look, oh, anyways, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use my concealer and just put it at the back of my hand and use my brush and just draw a line in between it. That's what I usually do before, and draw a line between it. Then I come here and draw a line too. But since I'm not blending, I can't blend it in properly, so I just draw a line. So you see, it's not really enough, so I'm just gonna go and put in more and try to. So after doing that, I'm gonna prime my eyebrow. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I can't prime, so I'm just gonna prime it. So after doing that, I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow. So I love using this Julia eyeshadow palette. So since we're not blending, I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow brush and dip it into this shade. So how is this gonna be? Normally I just go down, but since no blending, I'm just gonna go deep. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go deep. Okay, it's not really out here, so I'm gonna go. Alright, so the next step is I'm gonna go in with my concealer again and just put in some little tiny bit. Oh my god, I'm looking so relaxed. So I'm gonna go in with my brush and just take this comb and so I'm gonna go. So when that is done, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face and just see this and just oh, I can't blend so after doing that, I always take my foundation with CoverGirl and just put it back with my hand. I'm doing so badly, oh my god. And take my foundation brush and just put it like this. Oh my god. So on a normal basis, I will take my blender and just tap it into my skin, but the challenge is makeup without no blender, so I'm not gonna do that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my concealer and just under my eyes. Under my eyes. Okay. So that's what I always used to do. So good. How hilarious do I look? Oh my god. So next thing when I do that, I'm gonna take my powder and set my face. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. So it's gonna be dab, dab, dab. Oops. Oh my god. So I always used to put it wherever I put my concealer. So it's gonna be, oh my god. Contour my face now. I'm going to contour my face. So I'm going to go in this. I'm going to go in and just oh shit, man. So I'm gonna do my nose. So after doing that, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and I'm just gonna tap and just oh my god. It's so terrible. Here, let's just so I'm gonna take my finishing powder. Now I'm trying to look it the way that is. So putting that, I'm gonna go in with this brush and just dot 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 dot. straight, it really come out. So I'm gonna cut on. Okay. Then after doing that, I'm gonna go with my highlights and just normally I blend it in, but I can't do that right now because. So lastly, I'm gonna go in with my lip stick, and then I don't know what that is. My MAC lipstick, and I can. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the finishing look right now.